Welcome back to our class. So today we are going to learn about grammar, and the portion in the grammar part is pronouns. What do you mean by pronouns? I know that you all will be knowing what is a pronoun. So just to freshen up everything, just to brush up all the portions, we will discuss about what is pronoun and why it is used and what are the rules about it. Okay. So pronoun is a word that is used instead of a noun, isn't it? Yes, so pronoun is a word that is used instead of a noun. So we will move on to our class. Please take out your worksheet if you have. Pronouns, words that are used in the place of a noun to avoid repetition. Once again, words that are used in the place of a noun to avoid repetition. Example, Jim cleaned Jim's room. Here a noun is used as Jim. Again the noun is used in the second part also. So it is repeated, isn't it? Jim cleaned Jim's room. So to avoid, we can use Jim cleaned his room. So Jim is the noun here in this sentence and his is used as the pronoun for the noun Jim. Once again, Jim cleaned Jim's room. So it can be rewritten as Jim cleaned his room. So here in the sentence, Jim is the noun and instead of writing Jim again, we can use the pronoun his. Is it clear? Now, some of the pronouns are I, he, she, her, it, they and them. Once again, some of the pronouns are I, he, she, her, it, they and them. Moving on, we will learn about the rules of pronouns. I, me, mine. I repeat, the pronouns I, me and mine is used when we mean ourselves or single person. I will repeat it again. I, me and mine are pronouns that are used when we mean ourselves or single person. Next one, we and us are pronouns that are used for two or more persons. Once again, we and us are pronouns used for two or more persons. Now you can see some rules written in the box. I, me, mine, we and us are pronouns of the first person. First person means the people who speak for themselves. So, I, me, mine, we and us are pronouns that are used in place of first person. You and yours are pronouns for the second person. That times the first person is talking about someone else, that is called second person. They, them, theirs are pronouns for the third person. Third person means when the first person and second person are talking about someone else, those people are called the third person. So they, them, theirs are pronouns of third person. Now the pronoun it. It is used for things, places or animals. I will repeat. It is a pronoun used for things, places or animals. So that's all about the rules and some points to remember when we learn about pronouns. Okay. Now please take the second page of the worksheet. There is an exercise. In the beginning also there is an exercise. So please take the first page. Please take the first page. The first exercise A, underline the pronouns. Underline the pronouns. You have to underline the pronouns which is given in that paragraph. My name is Kishore. I live in Bangalore with my mother, father and two sisters. My father is a manager. he works for the State Bank of India. My mother works in a hospital. My sisters and I study in St. Michael's School. It is near our house. We like to help our parents at home. So that is the paragraph. Now we will read it once again. My name is Kishore. I live in Bangalore with my mother, father and 2 sisters. So in the second sentence, I is used and it is the pronoun for Kishore. Okay, so you have to underline the pronoun I in the first line. Now moving on, my father is a manager. He works for the State Bank of India. Here, instead of father, the pronoun he is used as second person. So, he is the pronoun in the second line. My mother works in a hospital. My sister and I study in St. Michael's School. In the third line, I is used as the pronoun for the noun Kishore. Moving on, it is near our house. So, it is there, it is the pronoun used there. We like to help our parents at home. We is also used as noun. Okay. Now, please turn to the next page. In the next page, exercise B is to underline the correct sentence in each pair. So, 2 options are given for you. You have to underline any one of the options. Okay. Question number 1. Rose knows she will be there. Rose knows her will be there. Which is the answer? Here's the option. 1 is the answer. Rose knows she will be there. Question number 2. I think they is Priya's car. I think they is Priya's car. The next option is I think it is Priya's car. So, 2 options are there. I think they is Priya's car. I think it is Priya's car. So, the second option is the correct answer. It is about, I think it is Priya's car. We are saying about things, isn't it? So, it should be used. Question number 3. Are them here? Are they here? Are them here? Are they here? So, are they here is the correct answer. When will we get our paper? When will us get our paper? The correct answer is when will we get our paper? Question number 5. I can play the violin. Can you? I can play the violin. Can yours? Option 1 is the correct answer for the question number 5. Now moving on to the next question. The Hindi teacher gave these books to I. Second option, the Hindi teacher gave these books to me. So, which is correct pronoun I or me? Which one? The second option, the Hindi teacher gave these books to me. Now, exercise C, circle the correct pronouns from the brackets. My mom is cooking. She, me, is baking a cake. My mom is cooking. Dash is baking a cake. She is baking a cake. Second question, the Indian team played very well. Dash have made Dash very proud. Options are they and we for the first one, us and they for the second one. The Indian team played very well. They have made us very proud. Okay. Third question, Ankit and Dash are good friends. Dash study in the same class. Ankit and Dash are good friends. I or us? Ankit and I are good friends. Dash study in the same class. We or us? We study in the same class. Deepika and Meena watched a movie. Dash were very happy. Deepika and Meena watched a movie. They were very happy. Now, fifth question. Are Dash from Malaysia? I or you? Answer is, are you from Malaysia? Okay. Now, the next question is exercise D. Rewrite the sentence correctly. An uncle of me is getting married. Me is the pronoun used. So instead of me, what is the pronoun that you can use? It is an uncle of mine is getting married. Second question, the children are making noise. Ask they to keep silence. So instead of children, what is the pronoun we can use? Children is the third person, isn't it? The sentence says that is the third person. So the children are making noise. Ask them to keep silence. Third question, Sagar could not catch the ball. He dropped them. So here in the sentence, we are telling about the noun ball, and ball is a thing. So what is the pronoun used instead of a thing? Sagar could not catch the ball. He dropped it. Okay. Now, fourth question. Can you dance like I? Can you dance like I? What is the pronoun? What can be the pronoun used instead of I there? Can you dance like me? Can you all dance like me? I dance very well, okay. Okay, moving on. Fifth question. We saw 4 kittens. Them were playing. We are talking about kittens. Kittens are the nouns used there. So what can it be? And kittens is in plural. So it can be, we saw 4 kittens. They were playing. Okay. Yes. Now in the next page, exercise E. Fill in the blanks with correct pronoun from the box. The options are them, me, it, their, yours, they, mine, our and his. I'll repeat the options once again. Them, me, it, their, yours, they, mine, our and his. So the first question is, will you sit next to dash in the class? So you're asking someone, if you're asking to your friends, what will you say? You'll ask, will you sit next to me in the class? Second question, I don't have any favorite teacher at school. I like dash all. That you can answer, I guess. I don't have any one favorite teacher at school. I like them all. Third question, the garden looked beautiful. Dash was full of flowers. So garden is a place, isn't it? So place and all, place, things and all, what is the pronoun used? It is it. So the garden looked beautiful. It was full of flowers. Next question, is this pencil dash or dash? Is this pencil mine or yours? Fifth question, I love my friends very much. Dash are coming today. So the noun is friends there, isn't it? So what is a friends? Friends is in plural form. So what is the pronoun used? I love my friends very much. They are coming today. Sixth question, Mahatma Gandhi is the father of dash nation. Mahatma Gandhi is the father of our nation. Okay. Seventh question, Jim is so excited to celebrate dash birthday. The rest of the options are there and his. So it can be Jim is so excited to celebrate his birthday. The last one, tadpoles can swim on their own. Okay. Tadpoles is plural there, so it is there. Okay. Tadpoles can swim on their own. So with that we finish the chapter pronouns. Now in the next page there is check my brain. That you have to do it by yourself and do not copy from somewhere. Do not ask to your parents or your siblings. Do it by yourself after learning the chapter pronouns. Okay. Learn the chapter. Complete the notes when you get the notes. And after learning everything, you can do that last page test paper, check my brain. On the both page, there are 2 pages are there. Try to do it by yourself so that you will understand your mistakes and learn it later. Okay? So learn the chapter. Thank you and bye-bye.